Ready to turn your motorbike into an awesome mobile base camp? These 12 ultra-light campers are built for serious miles, spontaneous detours, and the kind of freedom only two wheels can deliver. From mountain passes to coastal hideouts, these featherweight trailers let your motorbike roam free without compromise. Pack light, ride far, and camp like a pro. The journey starts here. If there was ever a camper you could carry by hand, it is the Adventurer AT by Road Warrior Camper. This compact trailer is so light, it barely weighs in your motorbike. Tough enough for the bush and nimble enough to wheel into tight campgrounds without a spotter. Weighing just 285 kilograms with a payload of 315 kilograms, it's light enough to lift off the hitch and roll into place by hand. Its powder-coated aluminum body is riveted, folded, and welded for maximum durability while slashing unnecessary weight. Fully sealed storage boxes line the sides, the front tub holds 148 liters, and the main cargo compartment swallows 1,150 liters like it's nothing. Clever design touches like an innovative lift frame let you keep your rooftop tent low while driving, then raise it for extra clearance at camp. All Aussie built, engineered, and assembled, with an Australian-made axle and drawbar. Throw in the iCamper tents, awnings, under-awnings, insect-proof mesh rooms, or a full-blown canvas annex, and you've got a modular adventure pod that punches way above its weight. Whether you're heading deep into the outback or just ducking off-grid for the weekend, the Adventurer AT proves small campers can still go big. If you think motorcycle camping means roughing it, the Aspen Ambassador proves otherwise. This classic pop-up trailer was built to bring serious comfort to two-wheel travelers, and it does not hold back. Designed with long-distance rides in mind, the Ambassador can be towed by most touring bikes thanks to its aerodynamic fiberglass body and feather-light build, hovering around 350 pounds unloaded. Inside, it offers a roomy interior with two full-size beds that expand into queen-size sleeping areas using factory extensions. You can sleep up to 4 people comfortably, yes, on a motorcycle trip. The tent setup is so efficient that one person can simply pitch the entire thing in under 7 minutes. Interesting, right? Beneath the floor sits a 28 cubic foot basement storage compartment, accessible even while the camper is closed, making it perfect for grabbing gear right when you want it. The construction of this camper is quite robust. Its powder-coated steel frame and seamless fiberglass shell keeps the weight low and the durability high. Add-ons include a 9x9 attachable room, cooler racks, steps, and optional electric brakes for better control. Though it's no longer in production, used Ambassadors are still prized for their comfort, quick setup, and generous space. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the open road without hauling around a clunky RV or pitching a complicated tent every night, meet the MiniMate Camper, a lightweight, road-ready companion that turns long-distance travel into a breezy adventure. Weighing just 260 pounds and towable by motorcycles or small cars, this ultra-portable camper offers freedom without the fuel-guzzling drag. In just 2 minutes, the MiniMate transforms into a cozy, weather-resistant shelter, complete with a cushioned bed, UV-protected canvas, and over 6 feet of headroom. Whether you're making a cross-country dash or just chasing sunsets on the weekend, its compact body, 60 by 40 inches, packs smart design with 15 cubic feet of cargo space. Plenty of room for gear, snacks, and spontaneous detours. Built with a full fiberglass body, independent rubber torsion suspension, LED lighting, and stabilizer jacks, the MiniMate is made for durability and low-maintenance travel. Add-ons like an awning or extra room expand your options, while the quick setup keeps you adventuring, not assembling. Rooted in the practical spirit of compact comp trailers, this camper is all about real-world usability. Compact, comfortable, and ready to roll. For two-wheeled travelers or minimalist explorers, the MiniMate isn't just a camper, it's a passport to anywhere. If you would like to see more interesting machines, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. The Quick Comp is a lightweight, testable motorcycle camper designed for riders seeking comfort and convenience on the road. Weighing approximately 340 pounds, it's suitable for motorcycles with at least a 1,000 cubic centimeter engine, ensuring safe and efficient towing. The camper boasts a quick setup time of under 5 minutes, transforming into a spacious sleeping area with a king-size bed and an 8-foot ceiling height, so you can set up camp and clock out in under 10 minutes. Constructed with durable 400 denier polyester, the tent is both wind and rain resistant, featuring 5 large windows for excellent ventilation. Additional amenities include a rainfly, an awning over the main entrance, and a secondary exit for emergencies. The Quick Comp offers 24 cubic feet of storage, accessible even while in towing mode, allowing riders to carry essential gear without compromising space. Designed for versatility, the Quick Comp can be towed by motorcycles, cars, trucks, or SUVs. Its compact design and ease of use make it an ideal choice for motorcycle enthusiasts looking to enhance their touring experience without the hassle of traditional camping setups. With its combination of comfort, durability, and practicality, the Quick Comp stands out as a top choice for on-the-go adventurers. A motorcycle trailer is naturally small, but for a minimalist, it should even be smaller, which is why the Helio HE3 series was created. This fiberglass-bodied microcamper weighs as little as 389 pounds in its smallest HE3S version. Even the largest, the HE3C, barely touches 605 pounds. That means most vehicles, from small cars to mid-size bikes, can tow it with ease. Helio didn't just make it light, they made it smart. Each model features a molded monocoque fiberglass body on an aluminum frame, with independent suspension and rear stabilizers. The HE3C includes insulation for year-round use, and all models feature 120 volts, or 30 amp power, solar readiness, and exterior outlets. Inside, there's just enough of everything. A convertible sofa bed for 2, interior LED lighting, fabric upholstery, and a maintenance-free floor. Options like AC, a 19-inch entertainment center, an awning tent, and 3M film protection round out the package. Every trailer measures 132 inches long and 68 inches wide, compact yet cozy. And the best part? Prices start under $15,000, so you've got real comfort without crushing your wallet. Yes, this is the minimalist's dream escape pod, and it actually exists. The Little Guy MyPod earned the title of the smallest travel trailer in the world, and for good reason. Measuring just 11.6 feet long and weighing around 840 pounds, this compact fiberglass pod is designed for easy towing, even by motorcycles or trikes. It's essentially a modern sleeper on wheels, perfect for adventurers who want a simple getaway without hauling a bulky camper. Inside, the MyPod keeps things minimal but surprisingly comfortable. The foldable 4-inch mattress fits a single person, while a small cabinet doubles as an entertainment center featuring a 19-inch Jensen TV, power and USB outlets, and a 5,000 BTU air conditioner to beat the heat. Storage options are limited, just a small cabinet and an optional roof rack. But this tiny trailer shines in its ease of use and garage-friendly size. Despite lacking a galley, toilet, or extra storage, the MyPod focused on towability, durability, and simplicity. Its molded fiberglass shell keeps it lightweight yet tough, and the compact design means no stress towing or parking headaches. Though production was paused recently due to supply chain issues, the MyPod remains a favorite among minimalists who appreciate how less really can be more on the road. When you want a big adventure without a big rig, the Aspen Classic delivers with just a hitch and a heartbeat. Designed for motorcycles and small cars, this fiberglass-bodied trailer packs the kind of storage, comfort, and durability long-haul campers crave without the weight or bulk of traditional setups. Weighing just 350 pounds, the Aspen Classic opens up into a full-fledged campsite with a king-sized bed, a roomy interior, and 25 cubic feet of cleverly designed storage. Whether you're navigating rain-soaked back roads or pulling off for a quick overnight stop, setup is a breeze. Just a few minutes from tow to tent, even in less than ideal weather. Inside, you get AlumaCore insulated bed panels, foam mattresses, and zippered access to your cooler and trailer tongue, because comfort and convenience shouldn't be optional. Outside, it's all durability. Reinforced fiberglass, powder-coated welded frame, 4 stabilizer jacks, and Dexter Torflex suspension with an electric brake upgrade available. From the zippered storm flaps that double as a canopy to the AC duct flap and rear window awning, every detail is tuned for the practical adventurer. It's lightweight, long-lasting, and built to go the distance, just like you. For riders who refuse to sacrifice space, comfort, or reliability, the Aspen Classic is definitely the go-to trailer. Imagine tossing your camping gear in a trailer so light, your bike barely knows it's there. That's the Lees-ure Lite XL. Weighing just over 300 pounds, this Canadian-built pop-up trailer is a minimalist dream and a long-haul rider's best friend. Designed for solo travelers or couples, the XL delivers hassle-free towing, lightning-fast setup, and a shockingly spacious interior, all wrapped in a compact aerodynamic shell. Pop it open, and you're met with a full king-sized bed topped with a memory foam mattress. Your reward after a full throttle day on the highway. Built tough with a powder-coated steel frame, fiberglass panels, and Aqualon tent fabric, this camper handles rain, wind, and road grit. A durable rainfly adds an extra layer of protection, so you stay dry no matter where you park. It's not all sleep and no storage either. There's a generous 30 cubic feet of interior space, ideal for accommodating your gear, food, or even a couple of folding chairs. Add LED lighting, reliable brakes, and a universal hitch setup, and you've got a trailer that's safe, smooth, and compatible with motorcycles, trikes, and small cars alike. The Lees-ure Lite XL isn't just a trailer. It's lightweight luxury on two wheels and the ultimate passport to off-the-grid freedom. Forget soggy tents and cramped campers. The Timeout Deluxe rolls in with full 12-inch wheels and unfolds into a queen bed-sized retreat, all while staying fully elevated above mud, rain, and bugs. It's the biggest motorcycle camper on the market and somehow still sets up in 5 minutes flat. Isn't that amazing? This isn't just a sleeping pod. The Deluxe opens into a proper living space with a 6 5x5 bed that can comfortably sleep 2 large adults. A carpeted floor, full-size screen door, 4 massive screened windows, and an air conditioner port make this feel more like a mobile sunroom than a pop-up. Add in a folding chair, a table, and an optional tongue-mounted cooler you can access from inside, and you've got a campsite people envy. Built with steel framing, aluminum sides, and 23 cubic feet of storage, it's light, just 385 pounds. But durable enough to last. You can even spec it with electric brakes, a light bar, or a full L-shaped awning. With stabilizer jacks, easy setup, and everything elevated, this camper isn't roughing it. It's redefining comfort behind a motorcycle. Pull up, pop it open, and suddenly you're not in a campground. You're in your mobile lounge. If you're after ultralight comfort with serious functionality, the Aspen Sentry folds open to reveal a nice queen-sized bed, while still weighing just 325 pounds. This rugged, compact trailer is built for those who love the simplicity of the road without skimping on clever design or durable structure. The Sentry's single-piece reinforced fiberglass body rides on a sealed black powder-coated steel frame with a triangulated tongue for optimal stability. With Dexter Torflex suspension and optional electric brakes, it's surprisingly smooth to tow. Setup is a breeze thanks to interior galvanized tent bows and a spring-loaded rear bed bow. And yes, the 84-inch queen bed with insulated Aluma core panels can hold up to 600 pounds. There's 22 cubic feet of storage, accessible both outside and from inside the tent, and a dedicated AC flap for personal climate control, LED lights, jack stands, a zippered cooler access panel, and weather-tested tents with canopy-ready storm flaps complete the setup. Closed, it measures just 60 inches long and 38 inches high, but once open, it expands to 140 inches of headroom-rich comfort. Whether you're camping solo or with a partner, the Aspen Sentry blends compact design with mighty performance, offering freedom and function for real-world adventurers. If you're looking to tour the countryside without the burden of bulky gear or overpriced motels, the Tour-Lite Roadster hits the sweet spot between minimalism and comfort. Tipping the scales at just 253 pounds, it's the lightest motorcycle camper trailer available in Australia, making it a breeze to tow even behind smaller bikes. But don't let the weight fool you. This compact camper is packed with smart features that make long rides easier and nights more comfortable. The sleeping space measures a roomy 2.4 meters by 1.3 meters, with a 1.33 meter ceiling and large screened windows to let in the breeze. Setup takes under 3 minutes, and the tent, crafted from breathable ripstop polycotton, offers excellent airflow and minimal condensation. A 60mm high-density mattress, removable window panels, and side pockets add to the comfort. Underneath the bed lies half a cubic meter of secure, easily accessible storage, while a rugged aluminum checkerplate toolbox mounted on the drawbar provides extra space for essentials, like tools, gear, or even an esky. Built from fully galvanized pressed steel with Alco torsion bar suspension, it delivers both strength and stability on the move. Add a 360-degree swivel hitch and prop stands, and you've got a lightweight, high-performing trailer built for serious riders. For solo adventurers who pack smart but dream big, the Aspen Base Camp trailer offers all the shelter and storage of a full-size camper, just downsized for efficiency and maneuverability. Built on a fully welded, powder-coated frame with a triangulated tongue for rock-solid stability, this fiberglass-bodied pull-behind is tailored for one person and a bike, without skimping on comfort or ruggedness. The single-piece reinforced fiberglass body features a basement-level storage zone, accessible even when you're tucked inside the tent. The setup is quick, the teardown quicker, and thanks to its telescoping galvanized steel tent bows and seam-sealed waterproof tent, you'll be up and dry in no time. With a twin-size 44 by 72-inch bed and a room footprint of 72 by 66 inches, there's space to stretch out without towing bulk behind you. Electric brakes, LED lighting, adjustable jack stands, and a 2.5 cubic foot zippered travel cover pocket bring functionality and convenience to every ride. The entire unit weighs just 325 pounds and has a tongue weight of 24 pounds, making it a breeze for most motorcycles to handle. Whether you're hunting remote trails or just escaping for a solo weekend, the Aspen Base Camp delivers all the essentials in one compact, trail-tough package. Forget 5-star hotels. Your adventure deserves a 1,000,000-star ceiling. These campers don't just follow your bike, they follow your wildest routes. Ride far, camp fast, and never settle.